Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the wiper blade inserts in Lexus UX. Because the wiper blades are hidden behind the hood, we'll have to enable the service position. To enable wiper service position, first turn ignition on, press this button twice. You'll see on the display ignition on. Now turn the vehicle off, press the button once, and you have to move this windshield lever up for 2 seconds. Hold it and wipers will move into service position. Lift up the wiper arm, and here you can either use a small flat screwdriver or a key to unlock the wiper. And now you will need to pull it down, and the wiper is off. You will need to use a rag to rest the arm on the windshield so that it does not scratch the glass. The wiper blade has two ends, the thin end and the thick end. So on this side you'll see that it's thicker, and this is where we will remove it. So you have to pull it by this thick end. And then the insert will come out. Inserts have two metal plates inside, which you will need to remove. There's one on one side and one on the other. As you can see, they are curved, these inserts, so when you reinstall them, you have to follow the curvature of the windshield. Inserts have small keys in the upper slot. There's one on the right side and there's one on the left side. They correspond with the cutouts on the metal plates. This one will be on the right side and the second one will go on the left side. So I will actually install them at once, at the same time. One will go right here like this, and the second one will go on the other side. Make sure that these plates go in all the way, and now we can reinstall the blade back into our wiper. And in the end, make sure that this thicker end goes in all the way. Now you can lift the arm, make sure that hook goes into this opening, and then slide it up and lock it. The passenger wiper insert gets replaced exactly the same way. To remove the rear wiper, first you have to slide this cover back, and then you'll be able to lift it up. And now turn it like this, upside down, and the wiper will come off. Rest it on the windshield. To remove the insert, you have to twist it like this and pull it out. Similar to the front, you will need to remove two plates on each side. There is a slight curve to these metal plates. Again, make sure that they follow the curve of the windshield when you install it into the new insert. I will insert the insert into the blade. I will start from the middle right here, and now you have to kind of open it and bend it at the same time, and make sure that the rubber is not being caught. I'll do it again. The rubber, this slot, goes inside and not been caught with this plastic. You can see that the blade is, the insert is loose and the metal plate is completely inserted. Lift the arm and this piece will go inside this opening like this, and then snap it back in place and the cover goes back on. Now we will turn the power on in the vehicle, and to disable the service position you have to lift this lever up. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.